Choose an appropriate position for the jack, where the car body can provide a good support. Insert the power cord into the cigarette lighter and power on. Then the other end into the car jack. Press the power button and then the up button to start the machine. Press the O button to pause when the car has been lifted to an ideal height. Press the down button until the jack is lowered to the minimum. Open the built-in tire pump. Connect it to the tire air hole and start inflating the tire. Press the inflation button to start inflating the tire. Close it when you finish inflating. The built-in LED light can be used as a flashlight. You shall open it at night. Thanks for your watching.